Hey everyone, this is Marjory Wildcraft, and I am so delighted today to be with my mentor in wild edible foods. That's Katrina Blair. I've been telling everybody, like I got a girl crush on Katrina. Like I wish next lifetime I'm going to be Katrina when I grow up, right? Just amazing, amazing woman. We've been doing a weekend workshop here with a whole bunch of people, and we just made lunch that everybody harvested throughout the day. And we ate this fabulous lunch that was all from wild foods.
Yeah.
And one of the staples of lunch, which is my particular favorite wild food, was acorns. And we're so lucky here. We're in the West. This is Colorado. We're outside of Crawford, Colorado.
Yep.
And the Gamble Oaks, they're dropping their acorns right now.
Acorns are one of those foods that this landscape in the Southwest desert and mountainous environment really provides for our nutrition. And acorns are loaded with carbohydrates and proteins and fats and are just one of those staple foods that we can not only harvest when it's happening, like right now where they're all dropping and they're brown, and we can gather them on the ground, but we can also store them and we can freeze them and we can dry them. And one of the beautiful things about Gamble's oak, which is a white acorn that grows in this region, is that we can eat them raw right off the tree. We can just pick them, crack them open with our teeth, and chew them up. And they're sweet, and they taste, if you get a really good one, it tastes like a macadamia nut.
Yeah,
very delicious.
I was so excited. I'd heard about the Gamble Oaks for years, and I was finally so excited to get to see. Some people don't even shell them. They just pop the shell in.
Them all,
shell and all. It's
and
extra fiber, right?
Yeah, because they don't actually have as much tannic acids as a lot of the East Coast and the West Coast oaks do, which you really have to do a whole tannic acid leaching process to get those to be more edible. But we are blessed in this region to just be able to eat them raw.
It's great. So acorns, so that tree in your front yard that's dropping all those nuts, free food, super delicious, nutritious, wild, delicious.
One of the best nutritious sources that feed us right from this land. And it's kind of incredible when we eat right from where we live, we get this relationship built up where the land teaches us how to survive in this climate and this weather and even the changing climates. And so the more we can eat directly right outside our doorsteps from the local and wild foods and the foods you grow too, the vitality of what you're eating is at the peak. And it's so useful for all of life for us to eat very close to home.
Nice. And Katrina is the author of the book, 13 Wild Weeds. And these things grow everywhere. So they grow in your backyard. I promise you. Somebody was asking, how do I plant these? And I'm like, don't plant, just water anything.
That's right.
Just water and the weeds will show up, right? So, and that's a fabulous book. And you get those 13 down, plus acorns. You'll be good to go.
Set.
You're set. Well, this is Marjory Wildcraft, and I'll catch you on another video.
The Grow Network is a movement of people who are stopping the destruction of the earth via homegrown food. Learn how to make your own homemade painkiller from wild plants growing in your yard at homemadepainkiller.com.